In this video, I'll show you how to use Dropbox Fax. Now, you can use the Dropbox Fax address or you can use the Hello Fax address. They all seem to bring you to the same place, though I'll highlight it here for you. I'm using the app.hellofax.com/account login. Now, what you want to do is click on Create an account on the top right here. And I cannot stress this enough. Even if it says, like it does on mine, already have a Dropbox account, sign in to access Dropbox Fax, that does not work. Maybe it works for you, but for me, it always gives me an error. Sign up with Google always gives me an error. Only sign up with email works for me. And if you've been having a problem signing up, this is it. So sign up by putting your email address and then hitting agree and sign up. Now they're going to send you a verification email. So head over to your emails and you should see one here, confirm email address. And now you need to create a password. And when you're done, hit agree and create password. And after nearly a week of struggling, I'm finally in Dropbox Fax, guys. And so here on the home screen, all we need to do is hit send a fax, and we can drag and drop documents or upload them from Dropbox, Drive, whatever. Let me quickly look for a document to drop in here, and let's let it upload. I can use full and sign as well, but I'm not really going to send this, so I won't do that. Let's just hit next. And then all you need to do is put in the fax number, if you know it. If you don't, just put in their email address. And you can add multiple recipients. And when you're done, just hit send document. And that is how you do it, ladies and gentlemen, and everything and everyone in between. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.